Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. Today we are going to see a budget friendly pure handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have 30 plus different designs and different colors in this video. So we are going to see all these sarees in this video. So before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. We are manufacturers of pure handloom soft silk sarees and we are uploading fresh collections daily in our YouTube channel. So please do watch our YouTube channel for more collections and more designs. All are manufacturing price and a different design and a different color combinations. So in this video we have a very beautiful colors, 30 plus sarees in a budget friendly price. So please don't miss this video. Watch this video fully for all the color combination and designs. Also, we are giving for wholesale and bulk orders, so you can contact us and visit us directly for bulk orders or any wholesale orders. So please do contact us and visit us directly. Our shop is located in Sirumuhai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. So you can contact us and visit us directly. So all these are very beautiful color combination and designs. This is the first saree. So we have both tissue border and borderless sarees in this video. This is a tissue border design. A contrast pallu and blouse in gold zari. And all over the saree you'll get a unique puttas in gold zari and a meena work. This is a pink with navy blue combination. So all these puttas comes all over the saree. The whole saree you'll get these puttas with both sides tissue border. And you will get a contrast pallu and a contrast blouse. A parrot green with red combination. All these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. So you don't have to worry about it. All these sarees are original silk, pure handloom made sarees. We are shipping all over India, so you can book it from anywhere. Also, we do have international shipping as well. So all these are tissue border sarees. We have few borderless collections as well in this video. So please don't miss these collections. Watch this video fully. All are different designs and different color combinations. All these are 1.5 warp. So which is very budget friendly soft silk sarees. The price range of these sarees is 5,000 to 5,500. To know the exact price, you can contact us in WhatsApp for booking. Also, if you want to book any of these sarees, please do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. You can also click on the link which is given in the description box and share the screenshot. This is the borderless saree. So all are very beautiful designs and the color combinations. So if you have any doubt in the color combinations on the exact color details, you can contact us or else we do have video call facility as well. So you can contact us and check the color confirmation and the quality confirmation in video call. And you can book your sarees. So please don't miss these collections. We have 30 plus different sarees and different color combinations. So you have many color choice to choose. So please do watch this video slowly and book your favorite saree. All these are borderless sarees. A peachish pink with peacock blue color. So please do watch this video fully and book your favorite saree. Also share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections.